Hey, coffee enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be a treat for all the coffee lovers out there. We're diving into the world of coffee, not just as a beverage, but as a secret ingredient for glowing skin and effective winter skincare. So grab your favorite cup of joe and let's get started. We all know coffee is a lifesaver in the morning, but did you know it can work wonders for your skin too? The caffeine in coffee has amazing benefits, like reducing inflammation, improving blood circulation, and providing antioxidants to the skin. To harness these benefits, let's kick things off with a simple yet effective DIY coffee face mask. For this easy mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of finely ground coffee, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a splash of milk. Mix it up until you get a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for about 15 minutes. The coffee will exfoliate, honey will moisturize, and milk will soothe your skin. Wash it away, and there you have it. Radiant, glowing skin in an instant. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how coffee can be your winter skincare savior. The colder months can be harsh on our skin, leading to dryness and dullness. But fear not, coffee is here to rescue. Swap your regular exfoliator for a coffee scrub. The coarse texture of coffee grounds will slow off dead skin cells and leave you with a smoother complexion. Create your own coffee scrub by mixing 1/4 cup of coffee grounds with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse. Your skin will love you for giving it this natural exfoliating boost. Before we wrap up, let's share some quick tips and tricks for all you coffee aficionados out there. Remember to balance your coffee intake with plenty of water. Caffeine can be dehydrating, so stay hydrated for healthy, glowing skin. For those pesky under-eye circles, apply chilled coffee grounds mixed with a bit of coconut oil. The caffeine will reduce puffiness and improve circulation. And there you have it. Coffee isn't just a delightful beverage, it's a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Try out these tips and let me know how your coffee-infused skincare journey goes. Show some love by hitting like, subscribing, and ringing the bell for more awesome content.